What's going on? Coach Michael signing in here from Forever Aesthetic Company. We are right now in the field of gains, working out outside. It's Saturday. I just finished training all my clients for the day, so I decided to get a quick workout in. As you can see, I'm still sweating. If you want to see what got me sweating like this, follow along. We're about to get into this workout. We're going to be performing each exercise for as many reps as we can. We're going to perform each move back to back. At the end of it all, we're going to rest for 1 minute and we're going to repeat this circuit 3 to 5 times. Make sure to keep that chest up as you sink down for the forward lunge. Remember, we're going for as many reps as we can, so don't stop until you're fully fatigued. For these scissor lunges, same thing, keep that chest up as you sink down through the heel, jumping up and switching legs. And we're going into the next move. The most important thing is that you try to go as fast as you can back to back. Get ready and go hard. If you cannot perform a Superman push-up at this point, you can go into regular push-ups, as many reps as you can. And we're going right into plyo clapping push-ups. Once you're done the first set of push-ups, you're going to go right into these push-ups and try your best to do as many as you can. The last two moves are standing ab cross crunch and burpee tuck jumps. We're going to go back to back with these ones as well. Make sure to squeeze on the way up and on the way down and really drive that elbow to knee. Last move here is a burpee tuck jump. We're going to drop it down to the floor, drop into a burpee, jump up, and drive our knees to our elbows. Hit it for as many reps as you can, and remember, we're going to rest 1 full minute at the end of this circuit, and we're going to repeat this circuit 3 to 5 times. Good luck, and continue to put in this work. Please give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more content like this, some more behind the scenes of us at work, and more behind the scenes of our training regimens. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Callie's gonna say bye too. Bye from Callie.